What will output from the code given below? Alright, so x is 20, num is 1, while num is less than or equal to x. So when 1 is less than or equal to x, which is 20, print num, so it's going to print 1 and a space. Then num is going to become 2 times num plus 1. So num is 1, 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. 3 is less than 20, so we're going to print 3. And then num becomes 2 times 3, which is 6, plus 1, which is 7. 7 is less than or equal to 20, so we're going to print 7. Then num is going to become 2 times 7, which is 14, plus 1, which is 15. 15 is less than 20, so we're going to print 15. Then 15 is going to become 31, which is not less than or equal to 20, so the loop will break. The answer here is 13715. The answer is B.